Class week 11 will consist of a discussion on landing page optimization and basic SEO. If you haven't heard the term SEO before, that's search engine optimization. That's how you get found on Google and other search engines. So we'll first talk about landing page optimization. Your landing page is where a visitor will go after they click on the link to your AdWords advertisement or any other advertisement you put out there. A landing page is essentially where the visitor lands. And this first video is a good introduction. Does your landing page seal the deal? It's about delivering on your promise. It's about closing the sale, if you will. So we've talked a few times about Christ-like business principles, where they apply in your online business model. This is really about integrity. You want to make it interesting. You certainly want to make it a good experience, but this is a question of your business's integrity. If you're advertising something, can you deliver it? You want to deliver it on the landing page. So the readings here about understanding a landing page experience are crucial. You want to have a very particular experience on your landing page. You want your visitors to get to what you promised in the advertisement very quickly and very obviously. Don't make them think. Don't make them click through a couple different things to get there. Deliver on what you offer as a business. So the assignment here is just to open a Word document and explain in there a change you would make to your landing page to increase conversion. Analyze one of your landing pages, and take what you've learned here and apply it in your analysis. The last question on here, again, is crucial. Can people easily find what they are looking for on your site? The simpler it is, the better experience it is, the more you're going to increase conversions and convert those visitors into customers. You'll have a discussion board on landing page optimization, and then we'll jump into basic search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is incredibly powerful as an online business. It's really one of those things that makes online businesses work, because without any financial investment, with just the investment of time, you develop what is essentially free marketing. If you are in the top 2 or 3 results of a Google web search, it's likely that you will get traffic to your website. To do that, you have to optimize your website. Now, there are a lot of different things you can do. This is going to take you through the basics. But essentially, this is you going through your website and you are telling Google, this is what I'm about, and this is how people can find me. It's important to go through and understand how search engine optimization works, because there's a lot of websites that try and game the system, and Google gets more and more astute each year on how to pick those up, and it's not encouraged to try and game search engine optimization, packing certain keywords into your website. What Google is essentially looking for is good content, and if you have a good quality website targeted to a very specific audience and a specific keyword, you'll usually do well depending on how competitive that keyword is. So in your Word document this time, you will list the 5 best things you can do to help your site be optimized. For 3 of your web pages, list at least 1 keyword you want to optimize for each page. And then you want to use the backlink checker. Backlinks are often overlooked, but they're a very powerful way to increase your ranking on Google. A backlink is when someone else links to your website from their website. Now, if you don't have any backlinks right now, that's fine, but you do want to develop some strategies around backlinks, just because what a backlink will do is tell Google that you are an authority. You're a website that other people look to. and that makes that certainly boosts your importance in the eyes of Google, and that will move you on up the rankings. So your website, or excuse me, your Word document will include those three things, and that will be it for your basic SEO assignment. There will be other entries on search engine optimization throughout the course. Then you'll have your discussion board on basic SEO and a reflection. So nothing out of the ordinary to this week. You will have your project 4 that I hope you're working on throughout this week, but this is a straightforward week with just the two topics to discuss.